Ran is a special case. He's one of those people that's considered a hero. On October the 7th, he was still recovering from a shoulder injury that he sustained during a motorbike accident. And in the morning, like everyone else, he woke up to the sound of alarms, and he knew that something big was happening near the Gaza envelope. So he took his car and he drove towards one of the kibbutzim, Kibbutz Alomim, where terrorists were invading. So he went there to try and help his other colleagues from the police force, the IDF, and he was killed in battle after apparently his ammunition ran out. And when he was killed, Hamas and other terrorists took his body, like many others, and dragged it back to Gaza.